In the vast and beautiful highlands of Ethiopia lives a story as old as time itself, a story of a people whose history is built on democracy, spirituality, and resilience. This is the story of the Oromo people, the largest Cushitic group in East Africa, whose traditions and values have shaped not only their lives but have influenced the course of history. At the heart of the Oromo civilization is the Gada System, a democratic governance structure that has been in place for over 1,000 years. The Gada is more than a form of government. It is a way of living that reflects the very essence of fairness, justice, and shared responsibility. Every 8 years, new leaders are elected by the people, based not on wealth or birthright, but on their integrity, wisdom, and leadership abilities. These elected leaders, known as Abba Gada, oversee the well-being of their people, resolving disputes, creating laws, and guiding the community with honor. Leadership in the Gada system is not a privilege. It is a duty to serve, protect, and uplift. The Gada system is built on a cycle of 8 years, where each generation moves through stages of life, gaining new responsibilities and roles as they age. It fosters cooperation, respect, and the understanding that leadership is temporary, yet the values it upholds are eternal. Through Gada, the Oromo people have mastered the art of balancing power with compassion, authority with humility. One of the most celebrated traditions in Oromo culture is Irrecha, the Thanksgiving ceremony held every year. It is a powerful expression of gratitude to Wakar, the Creator, for the gift of life, the abundance of nature, and the peace that sustains the community. Millions of Oromo from across the region gather by lakes and rivers to give thanks. They offer green grass, fresh flowers, and words of prayer to Wakar. Irrecha is more than just a religious celebration. It is a spiritual reunion, a time when the community comes together to renew their connection to nature, to each other, and to their shared heritage. As the community sings and dances in joy, Irrecha reminds the Oromo people that life is a gift, and the earth that sustains them must be honored and protected. This deep connection with the environment reflects their respect for balance both in nature and in society. The values that guide Oromo society are simple yet profound: peace, harmony, and respect for moral conduct, known as Naga and Safu. These principles are not just ideals but living, breathing practices that maintain social order and unity. The Oromo believe that peace, or Naga Oromo, is sacred. It is upheld through negotiation, mutual respect, and an unwavering commitment to fairness. When conflicts arise, they are resolved through dialogue, not violence. Elders, who are deeply respected in Oromo culture, serve as mediators, using their wisdom and life experience to guide decisions that benefit everyone. Women, too, play vital roles as spiritual and cultural custodians, keeping the moral and ethical balance within their families and communities. Though the world around them has changed, the Oromo have held onto their traditions and values. Their resilience in the face of challenges from colonial subjugation to modern political struggles speaks volumes about their strength and unity. The Oromo's struggle for recognition and freedom is not just a fight for land or power. It is a fight to preserve their way of life, their identity, and the democratic values that have guided them for centuries. Today, the Oromo story continues to inspire the world. The Gada system, now recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity, is a reminder of how democracy, when rooted in community values, can thrive for generations. The Irrecha celebration, growing larger each year, continues to draw attention to the Oromo's commitment to peace, gratitude, and respect for nature. The Oromo people stand as a symbol of hope, of perseverance, and of the power of community. This story reminds us that no matter how much the world changes, our values, those of peace, unity, and gratitude, are what define us. May we all learn from the Oromo's legacy of democracy and their deep connection to the earth. Thank you for watching. Join us in celebrating this incredible history and share the message of unity and resilience with the world. Subscribe for more stories of wisdom and culture.